everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our weather forecast for the United States for the next week or so. So let's get into it. So this is our day one outlook for today, September 10th, 2025. So let's get into it. So firstly, we have two marginal risks in place for today. So let's do our severe weather outlook first, then we'll get into our tropical weather outlook. So first, let's talk about both of our marginal risks we have today. We have a marginal risk for parts of southeastern Wyoming, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado, where a few scattered storms will be a possibility today and could contain strong to severe weather. Then we do get a marginal risk over here, where some severe weather will also be a possibility later today. So, yeah. This is what our radar is looking like over in this area. We could see a few storms in Nevada, a few storms in northern California, and stuff like that. And we do have a red flag warning for parts of Utah and parts of Nevada. So yeah. So now let's check out our day 2 outlook for September 11th, 2025. This is for September 11th, and we have a very large marginal risk in place for this area tomorrow. And let's see. We do not have a tornado risk, but look how big this marginal risk is for tomorrow, September 11th. If you're in this risk for tomorrow, September 11th, you got anywhere in there, you guys could potentially see some scattered severe storms later in the day tomorrow. So yeah, and then if you go to day 3 outlook for September 12th, we do have a marginal risk right here, where some scattered severe weather will be a possibility. Okay, now that we got our severe weather outlook down, let's go into our tropical weather outlook for the next few weeks or so. So we do have a tropical disturbance over here with a low chance of development. Day 7, 20% chance, and day 2, 0% chance low. And this could impact the United States if something does develop. This is eastern and central tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave is forecast to emerge offshore of the West Africa in a couple of days. Environmental conditions could support some slow development of the system over the weekend into early next week as the wave moves to the west-northwest at about 15 miles per hour over the eastern and central tropical Atlantic. So yeah, that's what's kind of going on over here. Is we don't really see too much crazy stuff going on with it, but something that's have a potential to develop from it in the future. Then we also got a tropical disturbance over here with a higher chance of development. Let me get to something real quick. Let's see. Never mind. So we do got a tropical disturbance over here with a high chance of development, where a tropical storm could form pretty soon here, but it's not expected to impact anybody. And Kiko has finally moved over Hawaii. So it didn't really move over Hawaii. I mean, you can see it was going pretty much straight towards Hawaii, and then it kind of went up and turned, and then it went back to going straight. So Hawaii avoided this, but it caused a few, gusty winds and stuff like that. So yeah, and we could expect some warmer temperatures to go across the United States for the next few days. Let me get to the temperature shower. So this is our temperature. But anyways, our temperature is actually kind of going up. As you guys can see, how above average we have an above average temperatures for some reason. So it was below average temperatures, but now it's going back to above average temperatures. Which is kind of crazy. It's very unstable temperatures out here. But now the Midwest is expected to see above normal temperatures, which is kind of crazy. And then in the next 14 days, that will probably stay the same. And within 3 to 4 weeks, will also probably stay the same. So yeah, the colder winter chills or fall chills may come in. Will likely come in way more into the future, like early October, maybe even into mid-October. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day. That's what is going on with our weather. So yeah, have a good day and bye.